Hey guys, Ken Salvo here, Grower Coach. Just having a look, driving along the road out here by Wood Lake, BC, and just saw some interesting plants in the ditch, so I'm going to have a look here. See these beautiful little plants, and they're definitely related to carrots. And you can see the foliage is very ferny, definitely dissectum, this variety. And this one is called desert parsley, and you can see it growing here. It's sending up some pretty big shoots. Look at that, huge flowers, about 2 feet high. Here's one that has the new shoots from this year on it and the old shoots from last year. Now this stuff is supposed to taste like parsley, so tastes okay. Doesn't taste like parsley to me. Anyway, a little exaggerated. Anyway, yeah, so just an interesting plant we see here in the dry desert Okanagan. And but it's very common. It's related to the carrot family, parsnips, even some of the more poisonous plants like the poisonous or poison hemlock, which is really very toxic plant. But also it's a relative of the carrot and some of our common garden plants. Just this one has developed the ability to survive in extreme conditions. So like on banks like this, I don't know if you can see it up here just in this rock. There's one growing out of the base of that Amalanchier there, which is the Saskatoon, but this is so dry here. There's a big one right there. Very nice. I like them. I think they're kind of interesting plants, but they do go dormant in the summertime. And just an interesting plant. Something different, and I just thought I would identify that one today as an interesting Okanagan plant. Desert parsley. There you go. Have a good day. Bye.